Majority of us have a Windows laptop or PC and might feel that it's slow while switching on or while doing multitasking. And if it's an old one, then even on normal usage, you might feel it's sluggish and also you may not have an idea how to make it right. And in this video, we'll see how to make your laptop or PC fast and snappy. Now let's get started. You may have thought your Windows laptop or PC might boot up very slowly. There may be several reasons for that, like age of your device, the Windows version, and so on. But without the knowledge, there are many apps and softwares which start to run in the background as soon as you turn on your device. So first, let's stop those and disable them. First, press Ctrl Alt Delete in your device and open the Task Manager and click the Startup tab in it. Disable all the things which you don't need. In the screen you can see I have disabled all the apps which I don't need to run when the device boots up, like uTorrent, Epic Games Launcher and Discord. This will surely make your device open quickly. The next trick is click the Start menu and type Clean, and in the option you will see something called as Disk Clean. Click that and a dialog box will open like this. Here you can choose which disk you want to clean. And then another dialog box will open like this, in which you can choose what all you want to clear from that particular disk. Then if you click OK, the selected items will be deleted, which will give you some extra storage space and eventually speed up your device. The third trick is uninstall all the unused apps and softwares. You might have installed some apps or softwares long back and forgot that you have it and also not using it. Those might also slow down your device. To remove that, click the Start button and type Apps, and you will get an option called Apps and Features. Choose that, and there you can see all the apps and software installed in your device. You can just scrutinize all the apps you require and uninstall the ones which you don't require. Every time you visit a website in the internet, some temporary files get installed, and once you leave the site, these temporary files are no longer required, so you can clean them. First, click the Start button and type Run in it. Once the Run box is open, type the same exact thing shown on the screen and hit Enter. Here you can find all the temporary files which you can delete. Also, there is one more location where all these temporary files get stored. To get them cleared, again open the Run box and type only temp and hit Enter. All these files are also temporary files which can be deleted. These also increase the speed of your device. Also, an important thing you can do is, if you have a laptop, clean the gaps and remove the dust, because the dust can slow down the speed of the fan, which makes the laptop overheat. So to maintain the temperature, the device starts to slow up. In case if you're having desktop, then clean the dust present inside your CPU. Also, if you're ready to spend, you can also increase the RAM of your device and also add SSD and have your Windows OS running on the SSD, which can really make your device fast and snappy. So now we come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to Tech Privilege, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive immediate notification, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.